Hi friends, do you want to be healthy? Oh great! If you already are, do you want to continuously be healthy even in an older age? I like to hear that. Well, I can tell you that you need to take your health in your own hands, so that's why you need to make some changes in your life if you want to stay healthy naturally or be healthy naturally. Well, I also didn't want to make a change in the past, but I was needed because of health, and that's why I am already 10 years on a raw food, 100% raw food, just because of health. Because no doctor can help you, they can just repress the symptoms with pills and other stuff. So if I can tell you, if everyone will be on a 100% raw food, the doctors would not even exist, and hospital as well. So if you want to be free from all these things and just live a natural life in a natural environment and depend just on yourself, well, now you have a possibility at least make some steps in this direction to be healthy. It's not the easy way, of course not, but it's worth it, okay? And also for the animals, it's the same. They also eat raw food. And this is normal for me, and it should be also for you. And if you want to have healthy pets, also just give them raw food in a way that you think is the best for them, just 100% raw food. But I can tell you that for animals also cleansing starts, also for humans. For animals is, let's say, 2 to 3 months and they are fine, and for the humans, well, for 2 to 3 years if there is something. But it could be also for your preventive, so if you think you are healthy, okay, but are you naturally healthy? So never, no pills, never. Huh? Well, whatever you eat, at least include one extra meal, no extra meal, remove one meal and replace it with fruits, for example, and it will be very beneficial for your body. Read about this, ask and be conscious about this. Investigate this topic. And some fact, do you know what is sneezing? Why? The reason, the cause. It's simple, huh? Maybe you think, oh, it is dust or flowers blooming. Well, the major part, the cause for sneezing is fat. Usually you sneeze after lunch, and this is just because you were eating fat. And how you can handle this very well, just drink water fast and you will stop, or exercise, and after 15 minutes you will be fine. Try it, okay? It's so simple. Everyone could live freely, harmoniously, and will live and could live for a very, very, very long time. Just live natural, At least eat your own food from your own garden. Not at least, this is a lot. I meant at least buy a local fruits and veggies from farmers. And this is the best, okay? I hope you accept this with love and acceptance. I appreciate your being with me. Thank you very much for watching. If there's any more I can help you, just put a comment below and I will be glad to answer you. Stay healthy. Ciao ciao. Oh, please share and subscribe to Kiki's My Love.